everyone, it's Charlene here, and today I'm super excited. I actually got something from Influenster. If you do not know, Influenster is a site to where you can sign up and they actually send you products. Like, you do a survey and they'll send you free products to try out. And you just have to usually write an online review. But I kind of wanted to show you guys a little, like, the stuff that they send, because I get stuff from them all the time. I will actually post a link down in the description box down below to where you can sign up for Influencer. It's completely free. You don't pay for shipping or anything. They just send it to you for your thoughts and reviews. So, pretty simple, easy enough. So I just got something, which I knew was on the way. I get like a lot of hair care, makeup, and they send like some really good brands of stuff in the mail. So I got this Sculpt MissSpa box. Look how pretty this is. Okay, this is so stinking cute. I love the pink box that it came in. Let's open her up and see what's inside. So this is what the inside looks like. I got an Eye Results Hydrating Smooth Under Eye Patch. I got 2 patches. So that's what that looks like. I also got a Brightening Plus Correct Serum. I don't know if it's like showing, it's kind of bright. So this is so cool. I love serums. I also got a Keep Clean Sanitizing Hand Spray. This is awesome. I'll actually keep this inside my purse. So it is a hand sanitizer. I wonder what it smells like. I'm going to open up everything and kind of show you guys. And I got a Hydrating Lip Balm Wild Berry. So cute. I also got a MissSpa headband. So when you're washing your face, it keeps your hair back. And I also got a Frown Fix Hydrating Smooth Smile Line patches. I wonder if this is kind of like the Oya. I don't know if you've seen my video where I review those patches. I actually forgot that I had those. I need to probably get those out and start using them more consistently. I'm like the worst person at being consistent with things. And that is everything in the box other than the paper. So I'm going to start opening up some of it and kind of smelling it and seeing how everything is. So first of all, I don't like the hand sanitizers that smell like straight up alcohol. Like, I have been pretty much haven't touched alcohol in 10 or 11 years since I came to Christ. So, like, I can't stand the smell of alcohol. It, like, literally makes me sick. So, let's see. Oh, it actually smells good. It doesn't smell like alcohol. It doesn't, like, have a floral smell, but it's not strong. So that's nice to know. So I'm going to actually be keeping this in my purse. Super happy about this. I'm not going to open up these just because it's pretty self-explanatory. Like, I don't know if you can see, this is the cheek patches. So they're going to be patches that go just on the cheeks. And this is under eyes. So it's going to be 2 patches that go under eyes. I've reviewed stuff like this a few times on my channel. Pretty much all work the same. This is the lip balm. It's just a clear lip balm. I don't really have lipstick on. Okay. It smells really good. It smells like berries. Like strawberries. Is it strawberries? Yeah, it's strawberries. Like, it smells like berries. So, I love stuff like that. I'll probably keep this in my purse too. I'm actually going to be going on vacation to the beach soon, so lip balms are always good to have. The next thing was the Brightening and Correcting Serum. Go ahead and open this up. I've been using, I don't even know what it's called. I think it's Sunday Riley. face serum right now. I like that one a lot. It's really good. Okay. So, I can open it. That would be nice. Okay, so this is what the serum looks like once I get her out. Ooh, I like the bottle. That's really cool. And it says Sculpt. So it says, apply to clean, dry skin, can be applied to face, neck, body for an overall glow. Can also be applied while using light therapy device. I don't really have a light therapy device. Let me go ahead and just squirt some. So it is a clear gel. It doesn't have a scent at all. It's unscented. So if you're a person that don't like really heavily scented products, you'd probably like this. It actually just feels like water. Like it literally just melted into the skin like nothing. It was like literally like water. Maybe I should have shook it up just to make sure. Do one more pump. Yeah. So it's just very jelly like consistency, and it absorbs like just right into the skin. I actually like serums like that because it doesn't weigh your skin down. And a lot of times, like if you like use anything that's like more lotiony, like when I'm applying my makeup and stuff, it'll kind of get caked on, and I don't like that. Or like blotchy, like it'll peel off in certain areas. So I don't like that when you get stuff like that. Okay, and then this is the headband. I just gave a really good headband away that I really liked a lot. But I have so many of these, so I like stuff like this. So you don't get your hair wet, you just put it on. That's like workout kind of material. It's like that, like holy, I don't know if you can tell. It's so bright, you're probably not going to be able to tell. It's like a workout shirt material. So that's really nice. And then it has the card, and it says 20 times reusable silicone patches. So you can reuse these patches up to 20 times. And it also says medical grade silicone locks in hydration and boost natural collagen production to plump skin and diminish the look of fine lines and scars. So this is pretty much just like the Oya, which those things were like $69. So these may be a lot more affordable. I'll have to look on Sephora to see the prices for these. If I find the prices, I'll put them down in the comments section down below. That way you'll know how much all this retails for. If I can find, I'll put each and everything. It also says for best results, prep with clean, dry skin. Skip all usual products anywhere you plan on placing the Sculpt patch. Okay, so that's just talking about the patches. Okay, so that's pretty much what it's talking about is the patches. If you guys want, comment down in the comment section down below if you guys want to see a video of me actually using these. If you guys would like to see that, just like I said, comment down below and let me know if that's something you would like to see, and I'll just like have like a spa day using these products. But yes, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it, my unboxing for Influenster. Like I said, I will put their information down in the description box below so that you guys can sign up. It's really easy. Anybody can do that, and you get free products. I mean, this is probably not cheap, all the stuff. I've gotten like hundreds of dollars worth of stuff sent to me from them. So if that's something you like I said, I will put the description. I'll put in the description box down below a link to where you can just go straight to their site and sign up yourself. And I've actually got a lot of family to do this too, and they've been getting free stuff for years. So try it out. You'll probably like it. Who knows? You might be an influencer before you know it. But I will see you guys in my next video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time I do upload a video. And let me know what was your favorite product that I received in this box. Comment that down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Bye.